Alright, we're now live. Check out our Reusable quarantining. Here's our first barrier. Women's restroom. Did that last year. Here's our double Reusable. I use the extra scraps here. Make a window. It's my favorite part right here. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Reusable magnetic closure. We got the men's restroom here. We're doing that. We're going to tear that out. And we got this quarantine here. Got a little window so people can come by and see what we're doing. There's the showroom. Consultants and clients can come check it out. This is this massive shower we're going to tear out. All right, we built this shower about 8 years ago to show off all the different shower heads, and it was a live working shower. But it's time to go now. We're going to make a space for another consultant. And here's our last zipper closure, actually our magnetic closure. My favorite part. Boom, closes up. Love it. We're going to remodel this area over here as well. This is really cool. I can't wait to see this closed up with a barn door. It's going to look awesome. I had to build all this scaffolding for the plastic to hang because there's no ceiling. See our window? Hey guys, just checking on you. Okay, cool. And then back to the front of the showroom. Keep all these nice crystals nice and clean. All right, thanks for watching the live video. And stay tuned for some more coming soon. Thank you to our sponsors, Reusable and Schluter and Floor & Decor. So look forward to working with all of y'all. We're going to make this an awesome project. Thanks again.